Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you, and you probably can tell I already opened this box because I ordered another Marc Jacobs small tote, and this is the box they shipped me. This is my first Marc Jacobs small in black leather, and if you look at the size of this box, so maybe you could understand that I was a little nervous because previously when I bought another Marc Jacobs tote bag from Saks Fifth Avenue, and they totally sent me the wrong size, wrong one. So I was a little bit nervous, so I decided I'm going to open it up and take a look, make sure it's the correct one, instead of have a disaster unboxing. This is how it looks when I open up the box. They just cover it with the paper, and they did squish my bag, squish the handle. Not my preferred way to pack a bag, but oh well, I'm sure the bag is fine. I haven't really checked through the whole bag yet. Hopefully nothing goes wrong with this unboxing. Let's take the bag out. So seeing this and then this, you may be wondering why I bought two black Marc Jacobs tote bags. The reason I decided to go with this one to add it to my collection because this is like nothing they have done before. I know a lot of people say that, but I didn't expect this day would come so soon. I was thinking they may do it, but didn't expect that they really did it this time. Let's take the bag out. So this is the back side of the bag. Similar to the previous one, it has this patch that's saying the Marc Jacobs store and their location in New York. So the new one, it just say the tote bag Marc Jacobs at the back. And are you ready? Yes, this one doesn't have the tote bag text on the front. I believe this is the first time they did that. I need to take a moment to take in this big change in Marc Jacobs tote bag history, I guess. Let's take off this. Believe me, I'm nervous with my knife too. So supposedly this is made from lambskin leather, at least based on what Neiman Marcus website say. But I will check again, make sure the information is correct. I do notice that a lot of time the information they listed on the website isn't accurate, especially with Saks Fifth Avenue. So they squeezed my bag. Now I have to reshape it a little bit. It was called their, I think, Shiny Lambskin Leather. It's not too bad in person. And the touch of the leather, it feels soft, but you can definitely tell that they have some kind of protective coating on it because lambskin is very easily get damaged and scratched and stained. So I guess they did it to add the durability for the bag. So that's the top of the bag. Do they still do the magnetic? No. No more magnetic. See this one, you can keep it here and it does stick to it, stay in place that way. And I have had this for probably over a year now, and the magnet is still stays strong. I'm pretty happy about that. But this one, it doesn't have any magnetic, nothing. So it's going to just hang out if you just let it out here. Open up the bag. Let me take the stuffing out. So this is the dust bag it came with. Nice. I really like their new dust bag with all their logo pattern monogram on it. It's really cool looking. The quality is pretty good. I found that Marc Jacobs tote bag, their dust bag is always pretty good. But I believe if you just bought the canvas one, it doesn't come with a dust bag. But with leather one, usually it comes with a dust bag. So make sure you check. Let me get the strap. Looking at this, I guess I will have to buy a custom bag strap for this bag. Skinny strap is not my favorite. Let's see if I able to take this out without damaging my strap. Oh, it's open. So this is the strap that it comes with. It's adjustable with this metal stud. It's a skinny strap. Feel like they made with similar lambskin material. And it does have this loop to catch the extra length of your strap. Let's put this aside. Take out all the stuffing. Unfortunately, no colorful internal lining. Wow, I do like the change, because the older one, at least the regular leather version, they don't have lining. A lot of people thought this is lining, but I think it's just a coating that they put on underneath the leather, the suede side. They put on a coating so that it's more like water resistant and all that. But with this brand new version, it has like a canvas lining inside. Somehow it feels a little puffy. It's interesting. I wish they used more colorful lining because it's really dark in here. I don't think you can see anything. Let me explore in the dark. Or let me see if I can take. Wow, they really make some changes, because I can no longer pull the pockets out. Let me see if I could show you on this one. See, on this one, you can pull the zipper pocket and the slip pockets out. It's kind of a pouch that hanging inside. But with this one, everything is fixed inside. Like most of your handbag, tote bag, you cannot pull anything out. It's fixed inside. It does still have two slip pockets, and then a zip pocket, very smooth. That's good. Trying to see if you can see inside of the bag. That's how it looks. It's very dark, but I do like the lining. And I feel like they may have put some padding between the lining and the leather. It feel a little bit like the puffy tote we we see with Coach and other brands. So overall, they made some changes to the bag. The pocket's no longer on like a flat pouch that you can pull out. It's fixed inside, and then the zipper no longer has this magnetic thing that stick to the loop here. Somehow they decided they still keep the loop though. Maybe this is kind of their signature style, or else it may not look like Marc Jacobs tote bag, right? Thanks for joining me today for this special unboxing. I'm really happy with what I see. Now, I'm going to leave you some questions. Looking at this, it's like what Shakespeare say, to be or not to be. So, text or no text? What do you prefer? I know many people has been asking to have a Marc Jacobs tote bag that doesn't have a text. So I think some people may like this better. At least it's something new, something different, right? That's what we need in fashion. And also, do you feel like without the text, does this still look like a Marc Jacobs tote bag? Do you feel like it kind of lost its charm without the text? Or do you actually prefer this way? Let me know in the comment area, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm really happy to share this with you, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!